Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn off the gird lines on your Google Sheets on your computer or on the web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the gird line in your Google Sheet on your web on your computer. So to turn off the gird line, just use this option on your Google Sheet. So easily you can just turn off the gird line. So you just want to click on the view option first, and you can see this is the gird line. You just click on the view option first, then you can see option called show. So this is the option where you just want to turn off the gird line, and you can see the gird line actually ticked, which means it is enabled. We just click on the gird line. Now you can see the gird line is turned off. If you just open a new sheet, the gird line will be present here, but if you turn off it will be works on only a particular sheet. So if you want to turn off the gird line for this sheet also, go to the view section, go to the show section and just turn off. So this is how you just turn off the gird lines on the Google Sheets on your computer. I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.